Hello, my name is Aisha Yahya. I am a computer engineering student at Fatih Sultan Mehmed University. In this video, I will introduce to you my graduation project, which is about plant diseases detection using image processing and deep learning. Well, in classical way, plant diseases detection is done by experts, which is expensive and time consuming, especially if we are talking in a level of large spaces farms. An alternative solution for this problem could be image processing and deep learning, which is more efficient, time saver, and of course, has a lower cost. Well, the reason behind selecting this kind of problem in my project is actually nothing but to contribute improving the agricultural productivity in Turkey, and I hope that I could so. Well, my project mainly consists of 4 stages. The first is image acquisition, second is pre-processing. After that, I had segmentation and classification. Pre-processing and segmentation processes were applied over 9 images collected by the help of phytosanitary clinic application and research of Hatay Mustafa Kemal University. Thanks for them. As you can see here, examples of those 9 images, all of them different diseases of plant leaves diseases. Here you can see weed rust disease, here you can see green onion mildew, and here sunflower mildew. Classification dataset where 15 classes collected from plant village dataset. Here are 3 samples of those 15 classes. You can we can describe them in one word like simple backgrounded and learnable. Technologies were applied in pre-processing and segmentation stages are actually color space conversion from RGB to HSV to take advantage of color of dimension separation in HSV color space. After that, I have color detection and thresholding technologies were applied to extract green portions in diseased leaves images. So this will make it easier for segmentation. After that, we have segmentation. For segmentation, I've applied a key means clustering method because I don't have any information about what kind of clusters that I could have in every image. Regarding classification, the technology that I have applied in this stage, read data, label binarizing, normalization, split data into test and train sets. After that, training the models, validation, and in the end, we have classification report. Well, as a deep learning model, I've selected a convolution neural network as a CNN convolves learned features with data and uses 2 convolutional layers, and also it reduces the computational cost as it uses max pooling layers, which reduces the dimensions of the input, which makes it actually ideal for image classification. As a result of pre-processing and segmentation, I can show you here the original diseased leaf images in the left side, and here you can see the output of pre-processing. As I mentioned before, it was green portions extraction. You can see here that no green portions or almost no green portions images are shown in this column. And using these, the output of pre-processing, actually I applied segmentation, and here you can see the output images of segmentation process. All semi-color colors were clustered into one cluster, which shows actually that the segmentation is done successfully. Here, nothing but the threshold leaves just for showing them. For classification, as I've mentioned before, I've selected CNN as a deep learning model. And actually, I've trained the 3 models of CNN, LateNet 5, AlexNet, and VGGNet 16. And I've got those accuracies for each one of them. 48.1 for LateNet 5, 73.7 for AlexNet, and for VGGNet 16, I got the highest accuracy with value of 93.3. It's important to mention that an overfitting problem observed over all models due to data limitation. Actually, I applied a classification on Kaggle, and Kaggle gives limited memory and session time for users. So I couldn't go further. But I believe that if I could increase my data size, I will get better behavior for less loss and accuracy curves of validation and training, and I will get higher accuracies for each model with, of course, side by side with parameter tuning. Well, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please like and share.